Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my fall home tour for 2025. In today's video, I'm simply going to walk you through our home and share with you all of my final fall decor and how everything turned out. I can't wait for you guys to watch this video, and I hope you really enjoy it and that it gives you some fall inspiration. We are starting this home tour out on our front porch. I used very traditional fall decor out here, and I love the pops of orange and how it contrasts with our brick home with black accents. As you enter our home, you will see our entryway, which includes the stairs up to the top floor of the house. Up on the landing of the stairs, I have just put out a few simple touches. Both of my son's rooms are up here, and so I wanted them to have some seasonal decor to look at, but it's also nice to see when you walk through our front door. As you walk into the front door, directly to the right is our living room. This is a cozy space that I really enjoy decorating for fall. Again, I use a very traditional color scheme and feel for my decor, but in this room, I really leaned into some more modern black accents, and we just moved into this home back in May, so if things look a little out of place or not totally put together, that's probably why. It is still a work in progress. Next to the living room and right off of the kitchen is the laundry room. I did put just a little bit of decor in this area because you can see it from the kitchen when the laundry room door is open. Now we're moving on to our kitchen. This is a very large space in our home, and it is tied into the dining room as well. So it's a very large space to decorate. I really focused on a little slightly more neutral color palette with some light creams and tans, but still using pops of burnt orange throughout the space. Our kitchen has these painted black cabinets, but very light countertops and backsplash. So I wanted to keep the color palette very intentional, and I love all the little pops of fall throughout this space. In the same large room as the kitchen is the dining room as well. In this space we have our beautiful farmhouse style table. There is a large gas fireplace with a very big mantle that was challenging to decorate, but I absolutely love the way it came together. And then I also have my antique corner cabinet in the corner, which is a family heirloom to me and a very special piece that I love styling every year. Coming down the hallway out of the dining room, you will see our guest bathroom on the right. I did just put a couple pops of fall decor in this space for guests to enjoy when they come to visit. On this end of the house, you will find our master bedroom and bathroom. In the master bedroom, I, for the past few years, have used a very unique color scheme of navy blue, soft greens, whites, and then I added in a little bit of cream and tan this year. I love the cottage vintage feel that it has, and I usually decorate this room first every season, so it's a nice transition into the fall season. And the last space we are looking at today is my master bathroom. I did just put a few extra pieces of decor I had into this room just to make it fun and festive for the fall season. Okay, that's gonna wrap up today's fall home tour for 2025. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and that you liked seeing all of my home decor in one video, all the fall goodies and how everything turned out. I really love how it turned out this year, and for my first time decorating this home for fall, I really love how it turned out. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. At Kindly Katey, I do lots and lots of seasonal decorating, home decor, cleaning motivation, and mom life videos, and I would love to have you guys join me here. Be sure to also share this video, share my channel with your friends and family if you would like to. I would love that. I would love to keep growing this channel, but I'm gonna let you guys go. Hope you're having a really great week, and I will see you next time with a brand new video. Bye.